What is up, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video of Stock Talk, where we talk stocks, literally. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a couple stocks I feel are safe buys for the upcoming month of April, but I'm not a financial advisor, do everything for yourself, this will invest, fully lose. And in today's video, like I said, I'm going to be talking about some stocks that I feel are going to be safe to buy for April, and I hope you guys can tell what I'm going to be talking about based off the chart that we're looking at right now, which is Bitcoin. We're seeing a massive run up, and we are here. We are literally confirming the next breakout right here. We can potentially be starting to form a another flag, another bull flag or ascending triangle. Once I flip the frame, yeah, it looks like we're literally gonna try to form another flag right now. There was some good news that someone just bought like $1 billion worth of Bitcoin right now. So let me just draw out this right here for y'all real quick. So the next move, if this happens, let's take a measure target of this real quick. The breakout was right about here. Get it all the way to here. Drag this over to the potential breakout. And this will take us to about $49,000. So that's if it plays out. But I'm not a financial advisor. Do everything based on this one. What you're gonna lose. So we're about 47,000. So this would take us about another $2,000 pump if it plays out the way that I'm suggesting or predicting that it will. We're doing an ascending triangle slash bull flag. If you guys haven't been keeping up with me or don't know anything about me, I've been calling out all these plays on Bitcoin. I've been dinging. You can see these measurements. I've been dinging them. I've hit this one, and this one's yet to come. So if for those of you guys that are into stocks, you guys are like, man, this guy's talking about crypto. Give me a second, man. So I'm going to be talking about one of the best stocks right now to get, which would be Riot and Mara. For those of you guys that don't know what Riot and Mara do, they kind of correlate with Bitcoin. Whenever the Bitcoin goes up, so does Mara, and so does Riot. So right now on Riot, I'm liking a little bit more because we are confirming the breakout right now of a super long-term downward trend line where we're broke out and we tapping it, flipping it to support. So I can literally change this to blue now, and this is our support now, and we may confirm a breakout to the upside. So one thing I like about this one right here is that we've been stuck down low for a minute now, and one of the fib zones are right here about $28, and we see a rejection around $24. So I'm definitely going to mark that right now. Is you can see right here, there's been barriers right around here, around 24.50. So that's one of my next price targets based off this confirmation right now, right here, that we are seeing right now. So when Bitcoin goes up, so does Riot. And right now it's the weekend, so Riot can't go up with Bitcoin. But I guarantee you by tomorrow morning at around like 7, this is going to be pumped up to at least like $22.50. So I'm not financial advisor, do everything based off of the lens, on invest what you're willing to lose. So hopefully that's what actually ends up happening. As you guys can see right here, we see a W pattern right here, the neckline being like right about there. Let's take a measurement of this real quick, which would be the bottom right here all the way to the top. Get this measured to right about here, and that hit right to the ding. So now what's happening? Good question. Right now we got basically the same thing that's happening with Bitcoin, we got happening right here right now. Another ascending triangle. So the breakout is imminent. The breakout usually happens about 70% completion of the formation, which would be right here. So we may go up here, hit this price target, and then potentially come down or see what happens from there. But this is my suggestion on what may happen. This price target is looking very like it could happen, looking very realistic. So since how do I take a measurement of this? I would take it from the breakout zone all the way to the top of the ascending triangle or flag, whatever you may call it. So I'm going to clone this one since it's an exact measurement of the one I want right now. And I put it right there, and that one takes us to actually $24 and about 90 cents. So basically super close to what I'm predicting it would go to, which would be $24.50. So this is what I'd be waiting for. This is kind of what's going to happen in the next couple days or week. But I'm not a financial advisor. Do everything based on this. That's what you're feeling. So that's what I'm seeing right now. And with Mara, we seen a humongous W right here. If I can just get it out of this frame, maybe if we go in a day frame, it looks a little. Let's just go in the 4-hour. See how that one's looking. Yeah, as you guys can see, that's 1W. Right there, and I believe I already took the measurement of this one, and this one takes us to about $39, which is perfectly lined up with all three of these rejections we see right here. We got the horizontal, sloping downward, and another sloping downward. So it's lining up with all that perfectly. That's kind of what I see is happening right now. And those are kind of just my stocks that I'd pick for right now. I mean, there's some other ones like SOS and BTBT, which I actually kind of like BTBT. But I haven't been in the stock game for a little bit. I've been mainly in the cryptos, but I'm definitely going to start hopping into the stocks again. Currently, right now, I've been holding Riot. I'm in a $20 call, but it's like I'm in like a super long-term call. I've had it since about $17, somewhere around there, and I've noticed that Bitcoin was going to start rallying up. Unfortunately, I got one that had too much time on it, so I should have got one with a lot less time on it, but it's okay. But we're seeing right now with Mara a huge W formation right now, ready to explode. We're confirming the breakout of one downward sloping trend line. We've already broke out of the other one, but unfortunately we came right back down. We're going to turn this one blue because I'm sure this is support now, and this one is still a barrier we need to get through. So we'll leave that one red for now, which I'm sure tomorrow will easily break out of it and we'll be around $31 like we were previously. So for right now, I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna see, but potentially we have the next stop coming around this area. We can see a rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and rejection here. So I'm going to put a horizontal ray right there, and that's basically going to show me where is the next stop, or potentially, no, we already met that one. So yeah, we'll just go with this one right here based off these previous taps right here of rejection. So that's what I'm seeing right now, and this one's showing a $37.14 one. This W pattern right here is a little ugly, but I do see it happening. One thing I'm liking right now is that right here there's a dip, and guess what's happening right here? The small dip that we need to see right here, and it's gonna shoot up just like this, and we'll probably definitely see a $35, at least a $35, Mara. So that's how I'm just gonna wrap up the video. It's gonna be quick and short. If you guys like stocks, if you guys like what I am predicting, if you guys like the way I'm breaking it down, hopefully you guys do. Go ahead, leave a like. Go ahead, leave some comments. If you think I'm doing something wrong, go ahead, correct me in the comments down section down below. If you like what I'm doing, you want to leave a whatever, a good comment about me, go ahead, leave it down below too. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video. Peace.